Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how to find the odd and even number in given array. So if we are doing the math, how are we going to calculate if it is even or it's odd? So let's say in this example, if we try to find if 10 number is even or odd, how are we going to do in a math, right? Since it's divisible by 5, a remainder would be 0. So since it's a remainder would be 0, it's a even number, and if it is not 0, it's an odd number. But my question is, how are we going to do in our video or in a Java, right? So let's start. So let's create one method, void my array, and I'm going to initialize array. So num equal to new int of, I'm going to provide a value 4. Okay, now I have to assign, so I would say num 0, that's the index number, that's the starting point. So basically it's array start with a 0 index. I would say 10 num index of 1 equal to 15 num index of 2 is equal to 20. And let's take one more. Num 3, that's the index, and value would be 25. So now we have an array, so let's print a for loop. So for int I equal to 0, that's our starting point. I is less than 4, I plus plus, and we give the bracket here, and I'm going to check the if statement. So what I'm going to do, if, and inside I would say that num of I and that percentage sign. So basically that's the same thing just we did over here. So if it is a reminder would be 0. So if we're going to divide by 2, so that how we're going to print this number. So basically it's a start with so let's start with our for loop. So int 0, so that's our that's going to start with here, and if it is a for example 10, when we divide with a 2 and when remainder is 0, then we're going to print system dot out dot println num of I plus the number is even, else I would say number is odd. Oh, I am not assigning, I'm just validating that one. So it should be double equal because I'm comparing, not assigning. So basically when I use a for loop, so it starts with a 0, so it's the number 1, so basically that's a 10, and it says 10 divisible by 2, and when remainder is 0, I'm going to print number is even. As soon as it is done, I plus plus, now it becomes 1, so it comes over here, it's check the condition. So basically 15 is divisible by 2, and reminder 0, no, right? So that's going to be odd, and so forth and so on. And we're going to create our object and we try to test whether our code is good or not. And we're going to create, so what is find EO? So find EO equal to F, oops, sorry, F equal to new find EO, so O should be capital over here. Okay, so F dot myArray, and let's run it. And it will be printing soon. Yes, so 15, so 10, this number is even, 15 the number is odd, 20 the number is even, and 25 the number is odd. Let me make some space so we can see clearly. Yep, 10. So that's how we're going to print even and odd. So for homework, you can add some new numbers and try to do that. And hope you like my video, and if you like, please share and subscribe, and hope we will see you in next video. Until then, bye.